Good morning, students. Today, at last session, we are completing Unit 1, in which we are studying various concepts of cybersecurity, cyberspace, cyber related few analysis, how to attack, how to detect and prevent your system, how to use authorization, access control, various security standards, various forms which is almost working on cybersecurity and few case study also. Now, today, in part of Unit 2, we are also seeing some cybercrime basics. This is Professor Vijay Gadvi. Now, what is a cybercrime? When an offense is committed, offense that means a part of criminal activities as per Information and Technology Act, Government of India, Cyber Security Cell is already executed and its work for security of data, information and various approval related data communications, bandwidth channels, mobile companies, applications, software developers and many IT related assets. That means IT Act is a different topic. This is a part of government licensing. But here we are start with cybercrime, basic introduction of cybercrime. When an offense is committed in full or in a part via computer, network or other computer enabled device, this is called as a crime. So not only crime, this is a cyber crime. Type of cyber crime: fraud, identity theft, someone looking unauthorized access and theft your identities like a PAN card, your few passwords, and a lot of things, UID, few bank account numbers, and many. Phishing scams. Phishing is a part of mailing. By mail, you can receive so many emails in daily life, like you are lucky winner for lottery. You can access a form or link. You are fill up this link, and this is a harmful activities. So this is advisable. Don't touch the link which is unknown and it received from unauthorized users. Then virus is one kind of program, one kind of code which is entered in your system by communication channel, local network, wide area network, internet connectivity, cloud technology, by few USB devices. There are so many paths a virus can enter in your system. This is one kind of code which is executed by a click. On single click, that code executed and enter in your system. It's a kind of one example is a Trojan horse. For example, in your pen drive, you can see the all folder in your drive is look like just a shortcuts. This is a Trojan. This is the one kind of virus. Then revenge porn, online hate crime, banking sector, mostly grooming and stalking. This is a fraud, that means holiday, identity theft, dating fraud, bullying, pension fraud, hacking, online extremism, child sexual and exploitations. And This is just the tip of the iceberg. States 56.4% of those surveyed in Berkshire had received a phishing email. This is a number, the statisticals. We need to introduce that this is kind of survey of email received for phishing attack. The percentage is 56.4. Under 80s are the age group most targeted for online harassment or bullying, with females targeted twice as much as males. That means a kind of fraud account. As age increases, knowledge of online risk reduces slightly, while the feeling of being at risk increases significantly. 1 in 10 fell victim to the phishing scam. Nearly one-third of parents have neither applied online restriction nor spoken to their children about internet safety. This is all about the awareness of unauthorized access, unwanted links, unwanted softwares, unwanted applications. There are many kinds. For example, few advertisement automatically executed or automatically link open by a single click. This is caused a harmful activity for your system, for your device, and it's also harmful for your data. Real or no real emails. This is also important point. Now see this, dear bank account owner. The email ID is show1944@icba.org. Then reference fund transfer was held by our bank. Dear bank account owner, you can see this is a draft. Transaction ID and some like of details you can see. The TK show the treasury manager. This is real or no real. How you can identify this email is real or not? Here in a body part, you can show the URL https indiafm.50waves. This is a subdomain. Now you are alert, and you can see the bank never used subdomains, and there are high security firewall systems are implemented in banking security sectors. There are server are high speed and also used, mostly server use Linux system, and world's best secure server are implemented in Linux. Mostly banks are used Linux. So this is a fraud. This email, how to identify? See the URL 50waves.com. This is a fraud. This is an unauthorized link. You can easily understand the subdomain is not authorized in banking mails. This is considered as a spam. That means harmful data, harmful information, harmful email received in your system. Now this is LinkedIn mail. Click here to confirm your email. So never click on this kind of links. Here see the second link, following address in your browser. If you copy and paste this link to your address bar and on single click, your system is in very harmful situations. That means your data, your applications, your records are not secure. So this is all about awareness and identify how the emails are real or not. So don't click. Remember, once again, remember, don't click on unauthorized or unwanted links. This is once again spam. Now watch now for free. This is also very dangerous, because the Indian or Asians and all over the world, the people are very excited when you get some free offers. So this is you need to control your excitements and look amazon.co.uk, red tag Amazon. Now see how to identify this is a real or not real. This is a real. Why? Here you see the amazon.co.uk is a single domain, and this is a standard portal. You can easily see this. Here we are not looking any subdomains or sublinks or third party links. URLs are there and no offers. Free, but this link is genuine. Now phishing, the warning signs. Phishing is a kind of active attack. The offer seems too good to be true. Spelling mistake throughout the email or in the subject line. How to identify? This is a warning signs. Must remember, the offer seems too good to be true. You need to identify first what kind of offers they give to you. Then spelling mistake throughout the email or in the subject line. There is a sense of urgency to respond to the email's request. Someone emailed you from bank. This is not bank, but some threats, some hackers send your mail. You receive this mail in updates or spam or your inbox, but you need to identify the sense of urgency to respond to the email request. Don't immediate respond to that kind of emails. Now links do not go to the place you would expect them to. क्या करना है? वो लिंक के थ्रू आप जो पेजेस एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं वहाँ आपको नहीं जाना है, वहाँ पे क्लिक नहीं करना है. Then the sender's address is not a genuine email. For example, instead of halifax.co.uk, it is halifab.co.uk or even fiodnusgpi.hfx. HFX. You need to identify this kind of odd links. Then be aware for calls and texts too. This is all about the warning signs. You need to identify. आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि कैसे आपको फिशिंग ट्रैक करना है, कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है विदाउट यूजिंग एनी टूल. Now this is a CryptoLocker. Your personal files are encrypted. Use RSA algorithm, part of information and network security. This is a subjects you need to learn in 7th semester. See, this tool is used for encryption. But here we see the encryption was produced using unique public key RSA 4096. Here also seen the warning that any attempt to remove or damage the software will lead to immediate private key destruction by server. Now viruses, 1.4 million cases of computer virus in the UK, United Kingdom. Once in 2016 crime data, as per ONS crime data, 2016, the 1.4 million cases of computer viruses in only single country, UK. Malware can have harmful effects such as displaying irritating message, stealing data, giving hacker control over your computer. Certain malware can lock your computer until you pay a ransom fee. Ransomware attack, अगर आपने सुना होगा तो in last 6 months स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात सचिवालय रैंसमवेयर अटैक हुआ था। उस टाइम पे द हैकर्स और डेवलपर्स need some amount to unlock your system. This is one kind of, in technical language, this is a denial of service. DDoS attack is performed, have certain rules and follow some code with algorithm, enter in your system and entire system under control of some other person. This is a ransomware attack and they need some money to unlock or to release your data. Passwords, this is also important. We are using a simple password 1 2 3 4 ABCD like name or birth date and etc. Here we are advised to pitfall for a great amount of cybersecurity. The most common password you can see here, this is the most common, easily cracked. If yours is one of these, please change it. If you advise, need a new password, think of your favorite book, film, song and poem, choose a line from it. Take the first letter of each word. Take the first letters of each word. Change some of the letters for capitals, number and punctuations. This is advice and it is a best practice for strong password. Top tips for online safety. Be careful of link and attachment in emails. Use different passwords for online accounts. Check website security. This is HTTPS. S for security hypertext transfer protocol. It's security. This is a protocol. If you are ever unsure about something online, do your research. You have a large data over internet, on Google, YouTube, you can research on particular topic, link, forms, account, all the things are available. There are vast encyclopedia available on internet. This is part of research. Then at last, antivirus software, updated antivirus application must install in your system. This is a basic fundamental requirement to secure your system or your device. Then keep computer software updated. Always use a licensed version. Here the word is, in India, most commonly used pirated softwares and application. You are not secure when you use the pirate softwares or cracked software or freewares. Don't use freeware applications. Always use a licensed software. Keep all devices safe. Limit use of public Wi-Fi for work. Limited use of public Wi-Fi. Also important because public Wi-Fi is not secure in terms of connectivity. Some unknown network you can access. You give some identity, your IPs, your user IDs, your password. So all the information you access in your device is not secure. So don't use here My personal advice, don't use public Wi-Fi for work. Update social media privacy setting. You need to also update the privacy setting, then report it. Find us online. Safe in Warwickshire. Keep up to date on latest cybercrime news. Watch fact. You are also use this link for latest updates on cybercrime. The reporting cybercrime, the contact, action, fraud. This is services provided by UK government, by police department. Report direct to the website where anything take place. Here in India, we are not seeing any facility. They are almost inaugurate so many cyber cells, but this kind of services not seen in our country, in our state, in our districts or local area. India is the largest internet users. Our countries, there are millions, trillions of users daily use internet data. So all are connected to each other, all are connected universally, all are user network. So this is important to secure our system, but we need to wait for some time to government implement some department for security, for information security, to protect our public from unwanted space and illegal activities in terms of cyber crime. As with any crime, it is also important that victims are signposted to victim support for any psychological, emotional impact they may have experienced. Now, session is over. I hope you understand and enjoy this session. Now we are meeting at next session. Thank you.